Yes, you can actually make a potato stew without using any meat at all.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a comfort food for my family. This is potato. I'm going to make a potato stew with some fuzuk. Okay, this is one of my most favorite. Having eaten so much big fish, big dishes during Chinese New Year, something simple, good for your body, good for your stomach too. All right, and I assure you, it's going to taste really good as well. So I have 3 pieces of potato. You can use any kind of potato you have. After I peel off the skin, I actually cut them into wedges, wedges shape, and also soak them under water. If you don't soak them under water, they can get oxidized very, very fast. Then I have some dried fuzuk, dried bean curd, where I actually rehydrated, soak it under water for 1 or 2 hours to soften it. Today Appa is very lazy. I don't intend to cut any garlic, ginger, any of those. Instead, I'm just going to use some ready-made fried garlic and also fried garlic oil, and some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. If you don't have my powder, no problem. You can use your chicken powder, or you just use your chicken stock, even better. Then these are the sauce. I'm going to put in some salt, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, you don't have to put in Shaoxing wine. Just skip it. So let's prepare a wok. Then instead of putting in some fresh raw garlic and then saute it, I straight away adding in some fried garlic and also fried garlic oil. This is the express way. Then we raise the heat up a little bit, Just one thing careful, because this is already fried, so if you raise your heat up for too long, you can actually burn your garlic as well. Actually, it's already seasoning. Now we can put in some filtered hot water. Now we are going to make the braised broth here. First of all, I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine. I'm going to give it a little bit of fine salt, premium light soy sauce, 2-3 round, dark soy sauce for the color, a bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of sugar. Last but not least, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Let me put in the potato first. The braised broth already tastes really good, Just by doing what I did just now, very easy. Of course, you can put in some spice powder if you like. I almost forgot, I can also. I'm not putting in 5 spice powder, I'm putting in the 13 spice powder, even better. Alright, this is some 13 spice powder. Or you can use 5 spice powder if you don't have the 13 spice powder. Then I'll put in the fuzuk. Let me see. Do I have to add in a bit more water? I think I will need a bit more water here. I put a lot of fuzuk today. So let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, get a lid, close it, tune down to medium, slightly between medium to medium low, and I shall let it cook for at least about 20 minutes. So this is after like 20 minutes under medium low heat. The braised broth has been reduced by itself and been soaked up by the fuzuk and also potato. You can adjust the taste using some salt and sugar. To me, this is good enough. It's ready to be served. Maybe before serving, I don't mind giving it few dashes of white pepper. That's it. Done. That's how simple it is to make this comfort food at home. Alright, so here's my very simple potato stew. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Yes, you can actually make a potato stew without using any meat at all.